Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. Here you can see me trying to put the loom back in. Start off by the battery. A couple of connectors are. There's one that goes back behind the bulkhead here. There should be the tray. Cables go along there. We'll see more of that later. Some at the front, some into that bit where the earth goes there. And I'll check you on time lapse and let's see how we go and I'll jump back in later. Back on voiceover once again, just trying to point out this is the crank position sensor plug that my first attempt at the loom didn't have. So just make sure that's connected. So, I don't know if you'll have seen, but we'll have connected all of that up, put the clip back in, put the ignition coil bits back in. We still need to work out, we've got two at the front, I'm not quite so sure where they go. The MAF sensor's routed at the back, we've got the other airflow sensor there. I'm currently down here connecting those two up. Sorry Simon, I didn't use your advice in taking their frame out. I thought I'd struggle instead. And I've also connected up the earth and that sensor there. So we are getting there, just a few more plugs to go. Just as a reminder, there's the main plug there. There's two that connect in here. The small one and the one which goes down to the crank position sensor. The other one goes behind the bulkhead, the mass airflow. It then comes through under the plastic tray, comes along, ignition coils, whatever that one is. It splits out here, it's front of the engine bay and that one there. And also down here, again where you come up to where the earth and that connector is. And then we've got the other sensor that goes underneath the manifold. But we're getting there, so I'll put you back on time lapse. Hopefully we'll get it all connected up soon and have a start, and hopefully it'll be working okay. After a bit of a wrong startup procedure, missed on camera. That's the jump pack just taken off the battery, which obviously is a bit flat. She seems to be sitting at idle okay. So I think we're there. I just need to put all the bits of trim back in the engine bay and we'll see what's what. Fingers crossed she's good and good for an MOT tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.